In this example, we've got two different types of dates. First one is split over various columns. The other one now has full stops in between it. So for this one here, we've got various columns. We need to convert it into a date that's acceptable to Excel. So the formula to use here is called date. And the date formula asks you where's the year. So over here, where's the month? So over here, where's the day? So over here, you can say OK. You can copy it and paste it down. We've now got the invoice date. The next thing, we've got the delivery date. Now we could fix it there, but I'm just going to copy and paste it here. And when we're over here, I'm going to use a tool. So under data, text to columns, and ignore the first two. We're going to tell it it's a date. And it looks like it's going day, month, year. Day, DMY, day, month, year. I'm going to say finish. You'll see it's converted it. So it looks like it's a proper date. It looks correct. We're now going to work out how many days till delivery. So I'm going to just say equals that date minus that date. And it tells me how many days between invoice and delivery. And then over here we can just work out an average. And you'll see we get that information.